Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna take a look at an editing software that's literally made for anyone and everyone. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Just like me, even if you want to edit any sort of video, no matter for YouTube, next university project, or even for your next Instagram reel, and all you have is a Windows PC, then you should definitely make use of a software called Film 4th Movie Maker by IO4th. The software is only available for Windows and it's absolutely free to download. The link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you've installed the software, first off you need to select the aspect ratio of the project that you want to create. The software supports editing formats for mediums such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, ultrawide and classic TV. For this video, I'll keep the default 16:9 aspect ratio. To start a new project, you need to click on the first button that shows up, and tapping that will allow you to import the clips that you recorded and add them to the timeline. Just after you imported the video clips and placed it on the timeline, that's how the editing screen will look like, with all the cream editing tools such as effects, speed, trim, etc. placed at the bottom of the screen. Making changes to the video that's already in the timeline happens in just a couple of clicks. With the split and trim tool, you can divide a raw video into parts and trim it as you want. Using the speed tool, you can increase or decrease the speed of the video. To give a smooth transition effect from scene 1 to scene 2, tapping the vertical line icon between two video clips will open up the list of transitions that are available within the software. Once you find the right one, just tap it and it's done. Similarly, to add effects to the video or to a scene within a video, tap the effects button, and doing that will open up the list of effects as usual that are available within the software. Once you find the suitable one, just tap it and you're done. To add a text to the video, just click on the double T icon, and following which you get the options to select a font, font format, the size, the font color, and even the alignment of the text. When it comes to background music, the app features an inbuilt music library that can be used to explore the music tracks. And once you find the right one, tap Add to add it to the video timeline. Along with the music library, you even get to explore the sound effects that are available within the software. And just in case if you have a voice recording to be added in the video, you can even import the audio recording to the video. And as far as the editing tools for the audio recording is concerned, with the software you can increase or decrease the speed and even make use of the voice changer tool to tweak the original audio by choosing from the 4 kinds of built-in presets that are available. Once the video is ready for final export, just tap the Save Video button, and doing that will open up the export settings, which can be tweaked as per one's wish. And what's really nice is the fact that you can save the video without any sort of watermark, for which you need to get the Pro subscription that starts at $11.99 a year, or even get it at a one-time fee of $19.99. And lastly, choose the destination on your PC for the video to get saved. Overall, the software is definitely a must download for anyone who either wants to get started with editing or wants to master the art of editing, as it's free to download, and to be honest, it's jam-packed with tons of useful tools that are needed for editing. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.